Hi everybody. Today I'm really frustrated. I'm going to tell you all about it. If you'd like to continue following my adventures or misadventures, be sure and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss anything. So for weeks now, I've been having trouble with my knee. Keeps swelling up, sometimes to the point where I can't walk, and it's just been really bad. I go over to the emergency room, and they say, oh, well, you've got arthritis and there's nothing we can do about that. And they send me over to a bone doctor. I still can't remember what to call him. Over to the bone doctor, and he says, oh, well, you need to have 6 or 8 weeks of physical therapy. So I'm thinking, well, wait a minute, why do I want to do that? That might cause more damage, I was thinking. So I go see my primary care doctor. He says, oh, no, don't do that. That'll make it worse. And then that's all there is to it. They give me a shot of steroids, give me a prescription for steroids. It goes away for a few days, the 6-pack thing. About 3 or 4 days after I'm done with the steroids, it starts coming back again. So the last time, just before I went out camping, the last time I went to go see my primary care, and he said, well, when you come back from camping, I'll send you over and we'll get a CAT scan. Why hasn't anybody done that before? Nobody thought of that? So, anyway, he writes out the order. I call the hospital to get it scheduled. Today I was supposed to go get it done. It's 8:30 this morning. At I don't know, about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, they called and they said, well, we're going to have to cancel because the pre-auth hasn't come in. Oh, did you send it? Yeah, we sent it, but they're dragging their feet. They're not doing it. So what can I do? Well, we can wait till about next week sometime, and if we'll get it between now and then, we'll call you and we'll set back up, and if not, then you can call them yourself and talk to them about it. Frustration. So, all of this time, finally, somebody says, oh, let's get a CAT scan. Let's find out what's wrong with it. And then, so I get that all scheduled, and now I have to wait. Mostly Medicare. They're just dragging their feet. So, on that note, I guess I'm done with that for until I can get it authorized. I'll wait till about Wednesday, and if I don't hear from them, I'll call the insurance and find out what's going on with it. I could have been out camping. So, well, anyway, they did have to come back anyway because of the jury duty. But my doctor sent him a letter and said that there's just no way that I'm going to be able to sit for that long for the time needed, and I'm hard of hearing and all that. Took them 24 hours, and they got an email from him saying, forget it. It's okay. You've been dismissed. Cool. So I saved myself about $700, going down there. Anyway, that's on a negative note. On the positive note. On the positive note, the Patreon page is about 99% completed. There's just a single tier right now. Keep in mind that it is in its infancy. I haven't been able to do a whole lot. There's kind of a large learning curve on it. They say that once you get past that initial part, though, it gets easier. So it's just, I believe it's ready to be looked at. I'll post a link to it in the bottom of the video there, and you guys go take a look and see what you think. Appreciate it if you sign up, and let's get this thing going. Let's see. I think that's just about all that I wanted to talk about today. Except for, if you shop at Amazon, be sure and click on the Amazon influencer link in the bottom of this video. That'll take you to my landing page and my influencer page, there's a list of things there that I've purchased or I use. And take a look, see what you think. If you can't find anything on that page that doesn't interest you, you can scroll up and type what you want to see in the search box, and that'll take you to the regular Amazon pages. But I have to tell you that if you do purchase something, I will make a small commission. So I think that's about it. Yep, I can't think of anything else. So I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.